PV Sindhu, an icon of success. PV Sindhu, or Pusarla Venkata Sindhu, is an ace shuttler and a silver medalist at 2016 Summer Olympics. This young badminton player from Andhra Pradesh was born to volleyball players P.V. Ramanna and P. Vijaya in the year 1995. Her father was honored with the Arjuna Award for displaying excellence in his sport. One of the youngest and talented badminton players of the contemporary times, Sindhu has featured in the top 10 in the World Badminton Rankings for most part of 2014. PV Sindhu started playing badminton from the age of 8 after she drew inspiration from Pulela Gopichand's victory in All England Open Badminton Championship in 2001. That's the reason why she chose badminton over volleyball, although her parents were professional volleyball players. Her initial apprenticeship started with Mehboob Ali at the badminton courts of Indian Railway Institutes of Signal Engineering and Telecommunication in Secunderabad. Later, she joined Pulela Gopichand's Badminton Academy for further enhancing her sporting skills. Early success. Sindhu's first major recognition came in the form of the 5th Servo All India Ranking Championship from Under 10 category. She also won the singles title at Ambuja Cement All India Ranking. In the Under 13 category, Sindhu won doubles title at the IOC All India Ranking, Krishna Khaitan All India Ranking Tournament, and the Sub-Junior Nationals and all the India Rankings in Pune. At the 51st National School Games in India, Sindhu won the gold medal in Under 14 category. Sindhu's debut and performance at international level. PV Sindhu didn't take much time to launch and establish herself as a promising player in the global arena. She won a bronze medal at the Sub-Junior Asian Badminton Championship held in Colombo. The star bagged silver in the women's single at Iran Fajr International Badminton Challenge in 2010 and won a place in the national team in 2010 Uber Cup. Sindhu's recent recognitions. On July 2012, Sindhu won Asian Youth Under-19 Championship. Sindhu's performance at Malaysian Open 2013 made her win the maiden Grand Prix gold title. The best moment in her career perhaps became the same year when she became India's first medalist in the women's singles at the Badminton World Championship. PV Sindhu ended 2013 on a happy note by winning Macau Open Grand Prix gold title, and also won the Arjuna Award, one of the biggest honors for a sportsman in the country. In 2014, she won back-to-back medals in the World Badminton Championship and became the first Indian to do that. In November 2015, she bagged successive women's singles at the Macau Open Grand Prix Gold. The year 2016 brought her another achievement of winning the Malaysia Masters Grand Prix Gold women's singles title, where she defeated Scotland's Christy Glimmer in the final. In August, she reached 2016 Summer Olympics after defeating world number 2 Wang Yihan. Sindhu created history by reaching the finals after beating Japan's Nozomi Okura in the women's singles semi-finals at the Rio Olympics. She won a silver medal in the finals, while the gold was taken by Spain's Carolina Marin. Later, she defeated Carolina Marin and won 2017 India Open Super Series title. Noteworthy honours. Among the other noteworthy honours that Sindhu has received are the Padma Shri in 2015, which is the fourth highest civilian award of India. In 2016, she received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. The best endorsement of Sindhu has been Gopi Chand's words about her dedication and commitment to sport. The most striking feature in Sindhu's game is her attitude and never say die spirit. PV Sindhu has been pushing the envelope like no young badminton player has done in the history of women's badminton in India. An interview with Sindhu, she said, she was asked how much mentoring guidance her father and mother have been giving her and how much have they been involved in her sports career. In her own words, guidance wise, every time I go for the national tournaments, they accompany me there, and when I practice and play, they tell me what I'm doing. My dad gives me a summary of how I play, and it is very helpful because, as outsiders, those who look at it know more about the game. As badminton players, we obviously know a few things, but someone from the outside can pinpoint stuff that we may not have noticed easily. So, both as counselors and parents, it's really very helpful. In the same interview, a practical question was asked. It is not possible for a badminton player to play week in and week out. As a top player, how did you manage to go to a tournament and psychologically deal with an early loss? Did it hurt when she didn't win? To this she replied, if you don't play well and lose in the first round, second round, you feel bad, especially if you're one of the top players. But you need to come out of it, practice harder and identify, learn from your mistakes. I think to come out of it, it takes time, but ups and downs are always there, and you need to cope up with it. Hats off to you, Sindhu, and we wish you even greater success.